Are you often distracted by Instagram notifications? And do you feel pressure to respond to direct messages as soon as they arrive? Do you wish you could just disconnect for some time? The Meta-owned social networking app is attempting to solve this problem for users with the new quiet mode. This feature will help convey to followers that a user is not active on the platform and will silence notifications and auto-reply to DMs. Quiet mode has been made available to users in the US, UK, Canada, and some other countries and will eventually roll out everywhere. You will need to update Instagram to its latest version to use quiet mode. Enabling it is very simple. All you need to do is go to the Instagram settings by tapping on the menu icon in the top right corner of the app on your account page, select notifications and select quiet mode. Instagram says that the objective of this feature is to help users, especially teenagers, manage their screen time. As per Instagram, once you turn off the quiet mode, you will be able to see a summary of notifications that arrived while it was enabled, so you can catch up on anything that you might have missed. So are you looking forward to using this feature and reducing distractions from Instagram? Tell us in comments and stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for all things tech.